Today we're going to be repairing this electrical cord. As you can see, I've already started. And I've just left this one piece for demonstration. Today we're going to be trying out the NSI Industries Warrior Wrap. It's $1.98. You don't expect a lot for $1.98, but this works well. And here's the dimensions here. And this was Amazon. Okay, so to begin with, I hosed down the cord outside, took some Simple Green Dawn water, and just wiped it all down with the cloth. Got it as clean as possible. And it's still, it's going to be dirty. So we're going to take some 91% alcohol. This, I believe, was like $3.75 at Walmart. Put some on a cloth. And I've already cleaned it beforehand, but so wherever your tape is going to start and end, that's where you want to clean. This is the key to getting tape to stick. Because imagine not just all the dirt, but whatever contaminants are outside. And as you can see here, I did a temporary quick fix with some duct tape so I could continue using it outside. It's a little here on the end. See, it comes off real good. And this is some serious duct tape I have on here. This is T-Rex, which is the best duct tape you can buy. Here, we're not going to be too worried about it because it's tackiness. It's going to help. But we want to remove any dirt, contaminants. As I said, I've already cleaned it for time because there's going to be dirt underneath that tape. And not only does this 91% alcohol clean better, but it dries quicker. Okay, we're going to take our tape. One thing I should say, if you're in a cold environment, I am in about 70 degrees right here in my garage. You're going to want to take a heater. Just to heat the area up. But like I said, it's not really an issue here. And you can also go ahead and do the tape if you need to. Okay. And we're going to start about, say, 3 inches from the rip. And as we do this, we're going to be pulling the tape taut. I usually use Scotch, the Super 33 Plus. But for this, since we're using a lot of tape, thought I'd give this a try. Okay, I'm pulling it tight. Getting it flush there with my thumb. Coming around. I mean, I have other cords that I've repaired. Because we have ground squirrels around here. You can't leave anything out. But when you have to run a generator, you kind of have no choice but to leave the cord outside. This may seem like a lot of work, but this cord to replace, I believe, was 20 something. And this whole roll of tape is $1.98. So this makes a nice rainy day project. So the difference I've noticed between this and the Scotch Super 33 is this has a tougher shell. It doesn't flex as much, stretch rather. So I think this will be ideal for the cord, outdoor cord. I use the cords on my portable generator. It's a WEN, W-E-N. And they don't make the model I have anymore. I don't know why. I think it's a W2000. But it has a telescopic handle. And it's beepy. I mean, I can walk it around on the uneven lawn, and it's good. The wheels are nice. Nice quality. I don't know why they don't make the model anymore. And then it has an energy saving mode on it. So when you use that, it will only use higher wattage when it's needed. I've had it for 4 years. Yeah, about 4 years. Can't tell you the number of hours on it. Because it doesn't have an hour meter. Could install one, but yeah, someday Yeah, okay, back on this now. Okay, so here's the end here. And what I'm doing is I'm twisting to get a nice seal. And also the friction will heat up the glue. But we'll run the blow dryer over it. Heat gun. Just for kicks. Okay. Here's the other end here. So I'm just going around the whole thing too as well. And it's a good idea to also, where the outer shell of the cord is missing, I think you can see the depth. See, that's nice and tight. But at the same time, it's only wise to press down on it. Okay, why don't we hit it with the heat gun now? We're not burning it. So I'm low setting. Paying special attention to the ends. Okay, filling in those gaps of the outer shell. This may seem like a lot to put electrical tape on a cord, but if you want it to last, this is what you're going to do. Okay. Okay. Pulling on it. It looks good. And we'll check in some months later. But for now, say this cord is done. Could show you the whole thing that I've replaced. I mean, look at all those bites. So far, I can recommend this. $1.97.